Here are the tools you'll need to replace the rear wheel sensor. 10mm socket, half-inch swivel socket, half-inch extension, clip removal tool, and a half-inch ratchet. Okay, we got a 2024 Nissan Kick, and we will be replacing the wheel sensor, rear wheel sensor. So that wheel sensor sits behind the drum, the rear drum. Inside there, that's the wheel sensor. Okay, and it runs all the way up here, runs through there, up here to this socket right here, which I just disconnected. So you'll be using a clip removal tool to pry it. You want to make sure you get under there. Make sure you get under there. Make sure you get under there to be able to pry it. You want to take a 10mm here with a swivel on it. So preferably something like this, a 10mm with a swivel socket to really get down in there. So that you can get a turn on it. You also want to make sure that you follow the original wire setup. So it's gonna be you want to kind of wiggle that off, right? And they snap back on in there. You also have a clip right here. So what you want to do, you want to go back to the back of it, if you can. Press the tabs in on the side. Press those side tabs in. Press those side tabs in, and it should come free. There's a tab on each side, that side and the other side. If I can show you guys, tab on this side and that side. Also another rubber grommet that's snapped into place right there. And that is how you will go about replacing this rear wheel sensor. Wish I would have been able to give you guys a little bit more in-depth, step by step, but there it is. It's